Sometimes abandoned cars are found in fields or forests, but occasionally someone opens an old barn door and finds something far more surprising. In Iowa, behind layers of dust and farm equipment, sat a 1967 Shelby GT500. Cars like this usually disappear into collections decades ago, which made the discovery unusual from the beginning. When Shelby restoration expert Jeff Yurgevich inspected the car, he noticed something collectors value immediately. Many components still appeared original. The brake booster, radiator, and several suspension parts looked correct for the model and era. The Shelby was not perfect. Rust had started forming in some areas, and parts of the body showed earlier repairs. But the car still had something far more valuable than perfect paint: authenticity. Even in its dusty condition, the Shelby was estimated to be worth around $70,000. Instead of fully restoring it, the new owner planned to preserve it largely as it was, and focus mainly on keeping it mechanically healthy. But the next car in this video had spent years in conditions far worse than a dusty barn. A C5 Corvette had been sitting outside for more than a decade, slowly disappearing under weeds and debris. By the time detailers arrived, plants had grown around the body, and dirt covered nearly every surface. Inside the car, the situation was worse. Moisture had allowed mold to spread across the seats and carpets, while ants had built nests inside the interior panels. Restoring the appearance required far more than a normal wash. The paint had to be chemically decontaminated, using iron remover and clay pads to pull embedded particles from the surface. Inside the cabin, steam cleaning and extraction machines were used to remove mold and deeply embedded dirt. After hours of work, the transformation was dramatic. The Corvette once again looked like a sports car. But once mechanics inspected the vehicle, the numbers told a different story. Getting the car fully roadworthy would cost nearly $12,000, which placed the repair cost very close to the value of a functioning Corvette. So the project ended with the car cleaned and revived visually, but not fully restored. And while that Corvette needed hours of cleaning, the next car had been sitting untouched for nearly half a century. In a Philadelphia junkyard sat three classic cars: an MGB, a Volvo Amazon, and a heavily rusted Mercedes 190 Ponton. The Volvo looked promising at first, but years of exposure had likely destroyed the engine. The MGB was missing too many important parts to be practical. The Mercedes, however, still had one advantage: its engine appeared intact. Records suggested the car had last been registered in 1976, meaning it had likely sat untouched for nearly 50 years. By that point, expectations were extremely low. Engines that sit for decades usually seize completely. Still, after cleaning the ignition system and feeding fresh fuel into the carburetor, the team decided to try something. And surprisingly, the old Mercedes engine started. Unfortunately, the rest of the car had rusted beyond what could realistically be restored. Instead of rebuilding the vehicle, the team saved the valuable components, such as the engine, transmission, and several rare original parts. Some cars survive decades of neglect, surprisingly well. Others need a much more dramatic restoration. A Moskvich 401 had been stored away for about 25 years before anyone attempted to start it again. The process began carefully. The engine was inspected, the fuel system was checked, and technicians made sure the internal components were still able to move freely. After confirming that the engine was not seized, fresh fuel was added, and the ignition system was tested. Eventually, the engine fired. Soon after, the team attempted something that had not happened in decades. They drove the car. Watching the Moskvich move again after so many years showed how durable, simple mechanical designs can be. Even after decades of inactivity, the car still had enough integrity to return to the road with relatively minimal work. But the next restoration started with a much more dramatic transformation. A 1990 Mazda Miata discovered inside a barn in New York had been sitting untouched for 6 years. Wood chips and debris covered the exterior, while mold had begun spreading across the interior. Under the car, the team even found a nest built from plastic bags and other materials. Cleaning began with pressure washing and chemical treatments designed to remove contaminants embedded in the paint. Iron remover turned purple as it reacted with rust particles trapped in the clear coat. Inside the car, the seats were removed, and the carpets were deep cleaned with extraction machines. By the end of the detailing process, the transformation was impressive. The Miata looked almost new. Unfortunately, compression tests revealed severe internal engine problems, meaning the car would still require major repairs before it could run again. But the next restoration began in a very different way. A 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 that had spent more than 20 years sitting in dirt required a very different approach. Instead of sanding the body, restorers lowered the entire car into a large chemical tank. Inside the heated solution, paint layers, filler, and undercoating slowly dissolved away. The Camaro was then transferred into an acid bath that removed rust from the metal. When the car was lifted out of the tank, it looked completely different. All paint was gone. The entire body was bare metal. For the first time in decades, the true condition of the car was visible. Hidden rust damage appeared on the roof, floor, and quarter panels. Despite these problems, the inspection confirmed that the structure was still solid enough to justify a full restoration. But the final rescue in this video might be the most extreme. A 1967 Ford Mustang had spent nearly 28 years sitting in a swampy backyard. Mud surrounded the tires and vegetation had grown around the car. Inside the cabin, animals had carried in walnuts and other debris. Extracting the Mustang from the mud required serious effort before the restoration could even begin. Once in the workshop, attention turned to the engine. The carburetor linkage had seized, the spark plugs were fouled, and the fuel system was unusable. To bypass the damaged system, the team built a temporary fuel setup using a small boat fuel tank. After several attempts, the engine finally started. Driving the Mustang again was far from smooth. The throttle occasionally stuck open, the brakes barely worked, and overheating forced frequent stops. But despite all these issues, the car was moving again. After cleaning, interior repairs, and mechanical work, the once abandoned Mustang eventually returned to the road, completing its transformation from a rusting relic in a muddy yard into a functioning classic car.